Hello. Today I'm going to teach you how to start drawing pictures using Python. So Python can't draw pictures all on its own without some more complicated coding or some easier coding. And to make this easier on us, we import something called Turtle. Now when we import Turtle, we give Python a whole bunch of new commands that we can start to use that allow us to make pictures. So the next thing we need to do is open up an instance of Turtle. We need to open up a place to start writing. And to do this, I'll write t equals turtle dot turtle. Notice that the first turtle has a lowercase t, the second turtle has an uppercase t, and then we open and close the parentheses. Now, we've started, and we can run this. Now, when we save this, we do not want to save it as turtle. If we save this as turtle, nothing else will run on our computer. So, or no other turtle programs will run. So we'll just call it drawing 1. That'll work. And now I can run it. And nothing happens. But what does happen is it gives us a place that we can start drawing, and it puts our little figure right in the middle. So we can close out of that. So now let's make it do something. So if I type in t dot forward, then let's do 100. I am going to hit run. Notice that this went forward 100. Now the thing, the screen is divided into these little tiny things called pixels. And what this just did is it went forward 100 pixels. So 100 pixels is about this big. So we just drew a straight line that went forward. If we wanted to draw a longer line, we can say 200. Great. Drew a little bit longer. Now, if we want to change the direction, we can do t dot right or t dot left. Let's do t dot right. Let's do 90 degrees. Now, when we run this, you see that nothing really changed. It drew a line that's out 200. The only thing that changed is now it's facing down. So what it did is instead of facing to the off to the right here, it moved 90 degrees to the right, and so now it's facing down. So if I actually wanted to move in that direction, I have to type in t dot forward, and then let's do 100. And now it's gone down there. Now if I want to return, that would be a little tricky to figure out where exactly that would turn, but let's turn 120 degrees and do t dot forward. Let's do 150. See where this ends up. So instead of continuing forward this way, it turned 150 degrees, and now it started going at an angle. All right. Now, if I do t dot left 40 degrees and t dot forward, let's go 30. So instead of continuing in this pattern, it moved to the left 40 degrees and went in that direction. All right. Hopefully this is enough to do the next exercise.